Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're a new viewer, please watch to the end. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on my future uploads. Thank you so much. Anyway, in this video, I'm creating the same tutorial I uploaded last week. But this time, I'm using polymer. In case you missed it, I put the link on the description box. Earlier in this video, I used a very thin sheet of clay and cut circle shape. Since our eye's reference is not widely open or perfect circle, I decided to trim it to the shape I like using an X-Acto knife. If you do this, please be gentle and don't damage the face because it is pink or red. Just make sure that you only touch the raw clay. You only need a little amount of clay because you will flatten it as thin as possible, and believe me, it's not that easy to estimate the amount you'll use. And the measuring tool can help you with that, like the half-round silicone mold. I'm using a cotton bud with alcohol to smoothen the surface even more. Just keep on adding layer by layer. Making thin lines on clay is as difficult as painting it. Really takes a lot of patience. Last part is adding the highlight. Then for the final touch, smoothen it again using cotton buds with alcohol. That's it for this video and hope you like it. So this is the face with acrylic ink. What do you like more? Let me know in the comment section below. Bye bye!